Hey guys, it's Heather here at Blossom Shop. Today we're going to be showing you a tutorial on how to do the pointed zigzag. This is a braid that we came up with at our shop, and we're going to show you how to do it. Alright, you're going to find the center of where your two ribbons meet. You're going to have one straight, one that folds over and creases, making this little V pattern. Right here is where I'm going to place one staple just to hold it secure. You're going to take this first outside ribbon, you're going to cross over this white. This maroon one is going to go behind the outside white and then crisscross over the middle maroon right here. We're going to start our pattern going to the left first. So white is going to cross over the middle, go behind this white, and then we're going to flip it over and crisscross. Now, this is going to be our point that we transition at. So we're going to go back the other direction. So outside white is going to cross over the middle, go over the maroon. This white ribbon is then going to crisscross back over, forward, crisscross. Now we're going to still be continuing on to the pattern to the left. So take your outside maroon, go behind the two center ones, crisscross over the top, and then flip it behind, crisscross. This is going to be another transition point where we go back the other direction. So take this maroon, go behind the two center ones, cross over the top of the white, flip behind, crisscross. Since we're still continuing back this way, you're going to take this outside ribbon, cross over the front, go under the white, flip forward, crisscross. Now we're going to go back this direction. So outside white is going to go forward over the two middle ones, under the maroon. You're going to then bring it forward and crisscross over the white. I'm sorry, under the white. This ribbon is going to go next under the first two, over the outside, flip behind, crisscross. This ribbon is going to go under the first two, cross over the top of the outside, go behind, crisscross. You continue this pattern until you run out of ribbon. To finish off my braid, I simply finish off the last row right here. I'll place a staple, and then I just trim off my excess, going in both directions to give it a nice crisp look. Finish off your braid with any embellishments of your choosing, and enjoy.